Hi, so do you know like what is the common between these five matches? Yeah, you guessed it right. It is Travis Head, who is the recent nemesis of India. So let's discuss like how do you tackle him? Like he's making runs for fun against India. Like he's making Indian bowlings like a club bowling. So let's discuss his strengths. So if you see him, like if you seen him play, he likes width outside of stump. Like he's the strongest from like third man to cover. So he plays the cut very well, and if you bowl him bouncers outside of stump like from 6 7 stump, he plays the uppercut as well and cover drive as well. एंड इफ़ यू सी वो 5 नंबर पे बैटिंग करने आता है तो तब तक बॉलर्स भी अपने दूसरे तीसरे स्पेल में होते हैं एंड बॉल भी स्विंग होना बंद हो जाती है एंड ही इज़ अटैकिंग इन द नेचर लाइक क्रीज पे आते ही उसका इंटेंट दिखता है मतलब टू स्कोर रन्स एंड ही विल स्कोर रन्स अगेंस्ट गुड बॉल्स सो and if you see his record against India, he's scored around 1700 runs in 30 matches with an average of 47 with 400s and 650s. And वो कहते हैं ना कि he is a big match player, so he likes to play under pressure and he likes to play in high pressure games. And if you see like World Test Championship final, World Cup 2023 final. So let's discuss his weaknesses. So one of his weaknesses is no fit movement, just hand through the ball. So if you target his pads like in swinging deliveries, he will be the candidate of LBW and bold. And if you target like high speed short balls on the fourth fifth stump line or like on his head, he will be in some problem. So the big question is like how do we get him out? Like what are the plans that needs to be executed by the bowling teams to get him out early in his innings? सो उसको जल्दी क्रीज पे लाने का ट्राई करो बाय गेटिंग ओपनर्स आउट अर्ली. सो देन उसको स्विंगिंग बॉल फेस करना पड़ेगा विद द न्यू बॉल एंड बॉलर्स इन देयर फर्स्ट स्पेल ऑफ द डे. And don't give him any width outside off stump or early boundaries in his innings. As we have discussed, he likes width outside off stump to get some early runs. And as a fast bowler अगर उसको सेटअप करना है तो ट्राई टू बॉल 4 5 डिलीवरीज ऑन द पैड्स ऑन द स्टम्प्स एंड डोंट गिव हिम एनी विट एंड देन ट्राई टू बॉल दैट सक्कर बॉल लाइक ऑन द फिफ्थ सिक्स स्टम्प on for the cover drive.